think so. I don't have to. Yeah, man, thank you. When Jamaica done it, never fall back and pick. I want to do.
And you find it. Hey. Don't have to.
No,
Remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see it?
All these lovely jelly coconut, all them lovely cakes. And then you come over this side. Everybody I want to see it, yo. Carry me Aki girl instead, Marky me there. Aki village on the 5th Port way. How you call me? Hello. What? What's the healthy star? Leesbury. We used to use them when we I use this, the seed for earring. This, the custard apple. This name star pallet, meanest fruits. Yeah, that's fruit, huh? Pussy power. The key to your pussy is tight, mean. Grapefruit, your appetite and cleansing. What if I stop my one? But later will be great over there. Yam head. No more yam head me there. No more. Watch the lime. Cut and clear with the lime. Yes, man. Cut and clear, spin your roll. Thank you. Really look at that. Wow, warm to your grandbaby. What? That's all you. Let me get a beat up. How much do I have to beat you? 100? Okay. See? So you have to go train a life? Everybody talent different. People, and it's too good. I need to get over that here. When Rachel said, Mom, I don't wish my worst enemy. This is nasty. She was so positive about it. Stop talking about that. That's how me is now. You see, before me stop in everything in my body, I make it over for me. Me not take it in. Yo, uno make my phone all overeat, lock down, shut down, turn off. Me have to just close out all of my app them. No, sir. No, sir. No. You know I said, and then no love call me mix up. Me try to tell you to say more time. Me work a bag of TV. So them teach me how to ask question. Fred them here for hire me because I can't just work at one place with all of this. Fred them. Right now, all me I hear is how much. A good thing I Uber me not drive, so me not have nobody in a car. You know say it come like bumper glad. But time to tell you to say, yo, me just did over here, mind my business to the come say, me just and then get up and then Sapphire tag me. I can see you like, and you probably also say, Brenda tell you this already. I am over here, I'm tired out, man. Like, Father God, I permit me breathe so we can come up on the internet. Girl, I don't want to do this no more. We don't want to do this no more. I remember me breathe so we can come up on the internet. God, please give me one little breathing so we can come up on the internet. Come in and I'm not going to do the toxic thing, I swear. That's the only way I'm going to hear myself. Got a back of me calling me. I don't want to work for back of TV no more. But I want to work for back of TV. But I don't want to do this no more. My asthma take me. Hey, local news, nice bagger, I'm not lie. You see you've read them? Oi. Star. Costa,
Yo,
you know you
what the
get big
fucking man?
interview.
Yeah, yeah.
TV to do this interview, because I don't know what to say.
Momo,
This is crazy.
me don't know what happened. Me don't know. Oh, look how Momo said she never come live today. You can't tell your man say I'm Kazi for the first
Me I tell
time.
him,
No,
right
I
now,
joke, I
are
joke.
you
Are you
God?
Kazi?
No, go suck yourself, because him call me, and me tell him, me come off of the phone, say, me like, call me, come here. Why him
Why
a
they
say
need
that
to
now,
lock it up?
Costa?
Bro, you know what I'm mad?
So what is he like?
Because the
What do you
whole
say?
time
What
I was,
secret did you bust for him?
I didn't bust no secret. All I said, keep Melo posted him. That's it. He mad as told her that. That's it.
You said this was said 3 years ago.
Yes, he said it They said it 3 years ago. We was
So
arguing with people on the
why is he
live.
saying that?
People keep saying that because I kept hanging out.
It's my
They
co-host drama free because I'm
my
gonna go in the
friends
car.
me, bro. When my friends come live with them, because of them, don't hang out with Brandon, because Brandon is a mix-up man, and him I go get you in a trouble. And the first
Kaki, my cousin too. Fee ball out said that. Yo, that's crazy.
And him now gonna mess up. All right, remember say him don't get kick up put out already. Him done out of the house already. So if him a ball out anything, I want him feel for say no.
But Brandon, if this is, I don't
We don't care
hear
about
that
them.
one.
We just ask for say we don't care about them family ship.
Drama free, go and take over. I have to go